Ta-da! Cute. Look at this small. So cute. And the most important thing when you are doing the quarantine is I will tell you one secret in this house. Hello guys, this is K Housing and my name is Emily. Now we are located in Mokdong, near to the mountain. And as you know that COVID-19 is still with us and we're still fighting with it, today I'm gonna introduce you the house for the quarantine. Let's go! The villa is kind of old and the door is also doesn't have the security system. Let's go what is inside. The door is made by the metal and we have the security system, so there is no problem with security. Let's go inside. Wow. This house has several rooms, one big room, one small room, one big kitchen with dining room. Ta-da! The first thing that you see when you are entering to this house is this big dining room. I think you also can use this room as a party room and have some fun time. The first room that I'm gonna introduce you, this big room. The first thing that we see when we are coming in this room is this big two bed. This two bed have a really soft blanket and kind of stylish light. I think it's kind of for decor, but cute. And the most important thing when you are doing the quarantine is, of course, TV. Because when you are in quarantine 15 days, you cannot go outside, but here you can watch your movie, Netflix or TV itself. Also in this room we have air conditioner and also we have a big window. I like this room because the room is really stylish. The connection of the white and gray color is really the thing that I really like, so I like this room. Let's go to see another room. So this is the small room that we have. Two-level bed. I think this bed is for only one person, not like in big room. We have also vacuum cleaner, so you can clean your house, and have kind of two chairs. Nothing special, just a simple room. Let's go to see what is in the kitchen. Now I'm gonna show you the kitchen in detail. The first thing that took my attention is these glasses. Look, we have different glasses. So this is for red wine. I think it's too big. White wine, like sparkling champagne, beer and soju. Look at this small. It's so cute. Here I see the plates. And we have different kind of plates, and I think it's really important because when you are doing the quarantine and you are cooking or eating, this thing should exist in the house. Here we have cardboard, a place for boiling the water, and also microwave. The most important things. Here I see a really big sink. I think this sink is just not for two, just for 4 people. It's quite good because when you cook, you have to have a big kitchen and you have to have a big sink. And we have a place for cook, some oil. Also have a lot of places for putting your stuffs. I think this kitchen is really big and good for party. We have a lot of glasses for alcohol, and also it will be fun for people who are doing quarantine in this house. I will tell you one secret in this house that made it really fun. So after you're drinking alcohol and you are having fun, you have this bed in the kitchen, so you drink and laying here and having kind of fun, you know. Near to the bed we have a refrigerator, so it's kind of big, and I think it's enough for 5 to 6 people to have their food. And now I'm gonna show you the bathroom inside. What I really like in this bathroom, that actually in Korea you cannot see that kind of big bathrooms, but here we have really big bathroom where you can have your shower well. And also one of the advantages of this house that we have a shampoo, air conditioner, and we have body wash, cleansing foam. You have everything for yourself. And this is all simple. We have a sink, we have a toilet, and we have a small window here. Also we have a towel here. It's good because we have a towel. It's kind of nice face towel. Actually Korean really using that kind of small towel and putting it into the like shelf here, and for example using and using and throwing to the washing machine. And we have that kind of small cute hair dryer. First time seeing like this small. And now I'm gonna show you the most important thing for the people who need some air or smoke is balcony. Here we have a really big window, so if I'm opening this window, we have a second glass, so we have 2-layered window. That is good because the air and the temperature in this house will be stable. So yeah, a little bit hard to open. We have a balcony. I think there is nothing special, you just can smoke and look at the mountain. When usually people doing the quarantine, they usually ordering the food in delivery. So we have this kind of small screen where you can see the delivery came or not, because you cannot go out and see who came or not. We have call, lock, and we can see who came. I showed you the house, guys, and did you like this house? I like this house very much, and now the time to say the price for this house. For 2 weeks for staying in quarantine in this house, you just pay 1,500,000 won, and it's really cheap comparing to the government price. The government price is 2,100,000 won for one person, but here you can stay with your friends or with your family. That is a really good point, and you can save your money. In the next video episode, I'm gonna show you another house for the quarantine. If you like this video, please put the like and subscribe and follow us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!